All right, let's make some homemade pizza dough. So I'm making my pizza dough in a bread maker, but you could do this exact same recipe, but would just need to knead it yourself and then set it aside to do the rising, as the bread maker does all of that for me. Okay, starting off, I'm adding 1 cup of room temperature water. I'm doing a teaspoon of honey. I'm doing 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, and it is very important that it is kosher salt. I'm doing 1.5 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so in here is 2 2/3 a cup of bread flour. And then additionally to this, you would add 1/2 cup and 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. But you can substitute that with bread flour, which is what I'm doing. So this is 2 2/3 and then 1/2 cup and a tablespoon of bread flour. Okay, so now I made a little well in my flour mixture, and I'm adding a teaspoon and 3/4 of instant yeast. And I'm going to add all of that to there, and then I'm going to shut this up. Like I said, you can definitely do this by hand, but my bread maker has a dough setting, and so it will knead it, and it will also set the temperature in here for it to rise. So I'm going to put it on that, and it takes about 1.5 hours to do all of that. But if you wanted to do it by hand, you would just need to knead it, and then I would put it in a warmer, dry spot and put something over the top of it, like a towel or something, and you could let it rise there, and it would be just as good. All right, I just pulled it out. I put it in this bowl, and I'm just going to let it hang out till we are ready to make our pizzas. This normally makes about 3 to 4 pizzas, depending on how big you make them. So you could get quite a bit out of just one batch of this dough.